Hey guys, Soccer from SAKITECH, and in today's video what we have here is we have the brand new iPhone 12. Now this one is going to be in white color. So in this video what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it, do a full tour, and get some first impressions. We are also going to be launching a giveaway, so stick for details on the iPhone 12 giveaway. So here's the box, and as you can see it is much thinner than usual. And as everybody knows by now, that is because it does not have a power brick in the case. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. We have a little tab here we can pull out. Very easy the way they did it this time. Okay, so everything just falls off and the box comes right off, as you can see. Let's put this aside and let's lift up the box. See if it just slides off. It slides off. And there's that gorgeous white color, as you can see. Now I'm going to take the phone, okay, and let me just do a quick tour, and it's also going to have a white cover. I'm going to put it to the side. Let's see what's happening right over here. Here we have the lightning cable, that's all. And here, of course, we have a few user guides. And that's all you get in the box, okay? Not a big unboxing. So I'm going to put this to the side. Let's divert our attention to this product right here. Now, in my opinion, the white color is in fact one of the best looking colors. It's going to be a shiny finish, as you can see, okay? It's not going to be matte finish as the Pro models. The iPhone 12 models come with a shiny back finish. So even if it does attract all your fingerprints, it's very hard to actually see them. So let's move to the front. I'm going to lift this up, okay? I like the way they did it this time, all right? So we are going to put that aside. Now let's do a full tour of the actual device. All right, so here we have the phone. Let's quickly come close to the actual cameras. So we do have a dual 12 megapixel camera system. We have an ultra wide and a wide camera. Now I'll let you know the ultra wide section has an aperture of f2.4 and the wide camera has an aperture of f1.6. So that is the camera system, and of course we have a flash and a little microphone right over there, as you can see. Now let's see what's on the side of the phone. So if I look at the side of the phone, now over here we have that power button, and here we have the 5G components to get that 5G signal. And on the other side we have the volume rocker, as usual, volume down, volume up, and of course that mute key, as you can see. Now you'll see that the side is done matte, okay? Here's the SIM card tray. This is all matte finish, so it's not going to be shiny. And if you look at the bottom, we have the speaker, microphones, and of course in the middle we have the lightning port. And that's basically everything we have. Let's see what we have on the top. Nothing. We just have some antenna bands on the top sides. And of course at the most top we have the Face ID system. So let's turn off this phone and see what it is all about. But I'll let you know, the new design with the flat edges does look a little bit better than the older iPhone models. So let's turn this thing on. Now a quick shout out to Subcase, the sponsor of this video. They sent over their Unicorn Beetle cases, as you can see, for me to check out. Now this one here in the middle is my favorite case. This is the Unicorn Beetle Pro case. If I did buy a phone this expensive, this is the case I would buy for maximum armor protection. And of course this guy does come in various different colors. You can get this in blue color. You can get them in green, black, whatever color you want. Links will be down below. But this is going to give your phone complete and total body protection. On the front, even in front of the display, we have a built-in screen protector. So it's going to be impossible to actually scratch the display. And of course, all their cases are going to have precision cutouts, so you get full access to your cameras, your ports, and all that good stuff. These cases are manufactured with complete precision. Now, the standard Unicorn Beetle Pro cases, the see-through cases, are very nice, and they also have drop protection. But if you want maximum protection of the phone, like I said, you want to go with the Unicorn Beetle Pro. These cases are drop test certified by CNET for up to 20 feet. So these cases regularly survive 20 feet of drop with no damage. That's what you want protecting your phone. Now you can find these cases for about $20 by clicking the link down below, or simply go to Amazon and search for Subcase for iPhone 12 and you'll see their full catalog. Now we have also teamed up with Subcase to bring you guys an iPhone 12 giveaway. The link to enter the giveaway is also down below, and make sure to use my secret code SAKI100 to gain 100 entries for free into the giveaway, which is going to increase the chances of you actually winning. All right, so let's set this up for the very first time. All right, I'm going to turn it on. I'm just pressing the power button. There's that little Apple logo. All right, so let's set this up. I'm going to swipe up. I'm going to choose English. I'm going to choose United States as my region. And then what you can do is if you have an existing iPhone, you can just bring it close to this phone and it's going to transfer all the information automatically. Otherwise, if you're a brand new owner, you tap on Setup manually, okay? Connect to a Wi-Fi. Let's do that right now. That's all set up. It says it's going to take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Now there's the data and privacy notice. I'm going to tap on continue. It says, do you want to set up Face ID? I'm going to skip this for now, set up later in the settings. But if you tap on continue, it's going to ask to scan your face and you'll be good to go. Okay, set up later in settings. Let's pick a passcode. Let me just pick something very simple here. So we are good. We have a bunch of options to restore the data from an existing phone or a backup. I'm going to skip all that. I'm going to say don't transfer apps and data. I'm going to set up a brand new iPhone. I'm going to tap over here. I'm going to log in with my Apple ID. All right, so we're good to go. Agree to the terms and conditions. All right. Again, take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. Let's wait that out. And I'm going to go with the express settings to expedite the process. Keep your iPhone up to date. That's fine. Do you want to set up Apple Pay? I'm going to set this up later in the wallet, but something you want to definitely set up, including Siri. I'm just going to set this up later as well. Okay, and then we have the screen time option. Again, we're going to set this up later in the settings. And don't share information. Do you want the True Tone display on or off? That's going to be up to you. I'm just going to keep it on right now. It's a little bit warmer, easy on the eyes. Tap on it. You can pick between the dark mode or the light mode. Okay, a lot of people will go with the dark mode. I'm going to choose light for now. Tap on this. Display zoom. Do you want the zoomed version or standard? I recommend you go with standard. You can see more on the screen. So welcome to iPhone. We're dumped right into it. Okay, there we go. Let me log in real quick. There we go, the passcode. Fantastic. Let's say not now. I'm going to go in here to my settings. I'm going to go to display real quick. Okay, let's go to display and brightness. And let's just increase the brightness a little bit and also auto lock at 5 minutes for the sake of this video. But that is the new iPhone. This is iOS 14. And of course, because it is iOS 14, you can press and hold on the screen, okay? You do get a quick tutorial when you do it for the very first time, but you can click on plus and you are able to access all these widgets and you can dump them onto your home screen. So if I tap on this one, if I tap on add a widget, it will go onto my home screen as you can see. So we do have the widgets. Other thing that we have that's new with the iPhone 12, if I go to my settings, it's camera related. So if I go down to my camera, okay, let's keep going. Here's the camera settings, okay? If I go into my video, what you are gonna see at the bottom is the HDR video recording option. This is gonna record up to 30 frames per second in a 10-bit high dynamic range, including Dolby Vision. So that's what they were talking about. This is gonna be very high quality video. Most people probably don't need this. Might as well just turn that off, but you can pick from all these different resolutions, 4K up to 60 frames per second, even on the iPhone 12, the supposed budget model. So we're going to go outside, and really there's really nothing to show here other than the fact that this is iOS 14. It's going to be just like any other iPhone. Now here's an iPhone 11 as a comparison, okay? Right next to it, you can see it's a little bit bigger, this guy. This one's a little bit more compact and smaller, a slightly more flat screen. This one's a little bit curved, very little on the edges, but not a huge difference other than the fact that the sides on this one are rounded, and on this one, they are now flat, which looks a little bit better, but not a huge deal. All right, so that brings us to the end of this video. That was a quick unboxing and a first look at the iPhone. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?